tear is come to my eyes
Okay.
after 7 days.
So let's get started.
Only
Today also there is a hurdle, and the hurdle is we have to swap the card again. Finally, my husband is in the kitchen.
how many more sandwich you will eat?
Sandwiches?
Like more
I
one one?
actually already ate one sandwich.
So more half of you will eat or what?
I'll eat one more sandwich. Actually, I ordered this bread, sliced bread brand. I think it is called as, yeah. But my husband is not interested in using that. So what did he do? I don't know if it is there still. I will show you what he did. What he did is in 2 slices of brown bread, he used white bread. Can you see this in the middle? This is white bread. So we already ate. Now more sandwiches are getting ready. मैंने ये जो sandwich चटनी है वो afternoon को ही बना के रख दी थी, and we quickly boil these potatoes, and now things are getting more ready because we already finished one lot. Nah, very yummy, it is tasty.
Potato make a twist in the sandwich.
And today we are going to start our new beginning with something. I will show you guys.
Sandwich, no?
Baby, this bread almost got over, and you were saying that bread we will not
No,
use.
actually no. This is like a Bombay sandwich. In this you need cucumber and you need a beetroot.
And also like green chutney, not this coconut
Yeah,
chutney.
little more punch of spice.
But I put more spice. I made already spicy, but then I think we need more spice.
Shredded cheddar cheese you can give.
Why are you using the white bread again?
Yeah, because that is taking time to toast.
Acha, that's the only reason, not because of taste. Because I felt like there is no taste in this. Like how we say no bitter and all. Normally it is not like that.
Yeah.
Looks like my tummy is already full.
Oh yeah, that's why I didn't put much. A bite at least before only saying good.
Because I know the taste. The moment I took it in the mouth, it gave that chutney.
Again watermelon juice.
We are going to have again watermelon juice.
Very hot. We have cleaned the house, right?
That too in the evening. In the night, almost night is over. And these peanuts we boiled in the, I think we started boiling this in the afternoon. Right, baby? And still they are not done. Actually, I never knew. I ordered this in the morning from Lulu. I never knew that you need to soak before boiling. So मैंने ऐसे ही boil करना start कर दिया, and then we realized that it is not done. So we just left it like that only, and we boiled this for a long time, and I don't know whether it is still done. It was very salty. I thought like there is no salt, and I keep putting salt, and became salty. And I drained the water. No, not done. We have so much of watermelon in the house. I think for lunch, dinner, breakfast, we will have watermelon only.
Very hydrating.
Yeah, no?
There is no sugar and see how sweet, but salt taste is there. Yeah?
It's too cold.
Yeah? Tat 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 tat.
Ah, cold red.
It is warm, man. If this watermelon is over only, we can bring the next one.
Yeah.
जब से मैं घर में आया है, तब से पुराना लैपटॉप ठीक ठाक चल रहा है, हैंग नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है. I don't know why.
And it's been almost, I think so, 5 days.
4 days, no?
4 days past. I received.
Today is the 4th day.
I received a gift from
Oh.
my husband.
Today is the 5th day.
Today is the 5th day. 5th day, okay? I received a gift from my husband, that is Mac. And he's waiting for me to start using it. And every day he's like, you're not using your Mac, you're not using your Mac, and I'm using my old laptop only. Finally, today is the day I'm going to start my new beginning with my Mac. So I'm going to start editing with this. Hopefully he'll be happy now onwards. Seeing me that I'm editing. So my full family is over here and we are going to start the new beginning with this.
I left my TV and
My goodness. Look at that. So इसमें problem ये हो रही थी कि my data was all on my old laptop.
And now we're going to transfer it to the new laptop.
We already transferred everything on the hard drive.
Yeah, so now we're going to connect the hard drive to the computer.
So go and bring the hard drive which is red color.
Okay.
Hey, wait, tell Dada. I am very excited to start this Mac and start editing on this, but more than me, my husband is excited because he want to see me, like, you know, how I'm going to edit on this, and also everything, all the data he made sure yesterday night till 3 o'clock he's transferring from my old laptop, which is this one,
Yes, what shall I connect?
into this one.
What shall I connect?
No, you have.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Okay, we need to activate our
Yeah, Filmora is already there. Last time we checked already.
video editing software.
Yeah, see the drive is come already there. We wish you
Baby,
all the best.
wait. But before starting my Mac,
आँख में आंसू आ गए.
before starting editing on my Mac and starting the new beginning of editing on this Mac, would you like to give a
Yeah,
pitch?
first tear is come to my eyes
Okay.
after 7 days of dusty on the Mac. Huh? Finally, we are going to launch the Mac today.
Yeah.
I'm very happy for my wife that she's going to use the Mac. Even I am not. I also love to use it because of photo editing, but I am not really.
You don't have time.
So we wish you all the
As I
best.
said, time is very precious for us.
We wish you all the best on your new channel.
On your new channel, on new editing.
On your, only one request is don't go faster than the M1 chip processor. Okay, that's
So
it.
let's get started.
Only one thing we are falling short over here is instead of bringing 512 we brought 256. That was what was in the stock.
But it's okay. I have a external hard disk of 1 terabyte.
So far it is 1 TB. We can
We have
always.
another
But
laptop with
the problem is this is all coming integrated, the memory chip, and also we cannot even upgrade this laptop, this MacBook Pro 13 M1 chip. So that's it. Okay, honey, over to you. All the best.
Okay, just
Baba
take
want to
it.
say something.
I'm so excited for Mama to start her new.
Wait. Why so much time? Okay, Baba say something.
I'm so happy that Mama's gonna edit on her new MacBook Pro.
Hannah want to say something? Hannah want to say something?
Yay!
Say something.
Hi.
No. Okay, no.
Let's start! Yeah.
Look at her. She's ready. Yeah.
She's ready than anybody.
She's ready. Okay.
Alright?
अरे किधर है यार? Go to say I don't know where to find it Filmora. How many days इतने सारे hurdles आ रहे थे. That is the reason why I could not start. So today also there is a hurdle, and the hurdle is we have to swap the card again because my editing software जो मैंने Windows के लिए डाला था वो वाला Mac के लिए नहीं चलने वाला है. तो Mac के लिए one more license we have to buy.
Yeah.
So
and I don't know. I'm waiting
my
for the
husband have
support.
to swipe the credit card.
We are waiting for the support actually, but I already checked that price difference. So Windows price is different, lower price, and Mac has more price. And
Oh.
we have to waste
what
time.
more choice we have?
See, Q position 1.
We are Windows users since how many years, baby? Almost 17 years.
Oh, too much.
I think almost 17 years we are. I can say
Maybe
since I started my school, I guess so.
I think from 2003 or 4.
Since I started my school, I think I was in 10th standard. Since then, I am a Windows user. This is the first.
Windows!
This is the first time we are using it. So becoming difficult, but we will get used to it. Definitely, everything in life, first time when we use, it becomes a little difficult.
Guess to activate Filmora X if not. Yes, completed man. What is this? This licensing we just finished activating. Now after activating, here is telling you, hey, thanks for activating. Why not go for non-perpetual plan? Extend my license and stuff.
दोस्त के साथ मैंने स्टार्ट किया था अपना मैक, उतने ही सैडनेस के साथ मुझे बंद करना पड़ा बिकॉज देयर वाज अ टेक्निकल इशू रिलेटेड टू फाइल्स.
So guys, hope you enjoyed the vlog for today. So see you guys in our next vlog. Till then, take care and bye bye.
सो गाइस रात के बज रहे हैं अराउंड 11 o'clock. बहुत टाइम हम लोगों ने वेस्ट करने के वेस्ट ही बोल सकते हैं डेफिनेटली. न्यू बिगनिंग तो स्टार्ट की मैक के साथ, लेकिन न्यू बिगनिंग के साथ बहुत सारे टेक्निकल इश्यूज भी आए. एज यू गाइस नो वी आर विंडोज यूजर. मैक के साथ काम करने में तो डेफिनेटली यस है ना, डेफिनेटली थोड़ा सा टाइम तो लगेगा ही. तो मैक के साथ थोड़ा सा काम करने के लिए टाइम तो लगेगा ही. बाय द वे हैना इज व्लॉगिंग. तो और ज्यादा मैं टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करूंगी. आई विल सी यू गाइस इन माय नेक्स्ट व्लॉग. टिल देन
Bye bye.
से बाय.
She said bye, but she didn't say bye.
She want to vlog.
So sad.
See you guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.